Any organization that designs a system will produce a design whose structure is a copy of the organization's communication structure. Conway's law was originally introduced by Melvin Conway in 1967. Since then, there have been various observations based on this law. For example, Eric S. Raymond stated that if you have 4 groups working on a compiler, then you will get a 4-pass compiler. The most significant impact of Conway's law is in team topologies. It highlights the importance of organizational structure in software development. Because the communication structure of an organization will be reflected in the structure of the system it produces, therefore, if an organization wants to produce a system with a specific structure, it needs to ensure that the communication structure supports that design. For example, if the organization intends to support the distributed service architecture, one way that this can be facilitated is by ensuring that there are smaller distributed teams, and then fundamentally they will be doing greater service documentation to ensure that the project actually works. However, if a monolithic architecture is desired, for example, you want it to be a shared responsibility, then co-locating your teams will facilitate such an approach. There is a lot of evidence of Conway's law in the real world that you might have already observed in your career. For example, we've all seen great websites that start to have appendages attached, mirroring the internal new product teams that are probably getting formed within that organization.